And I had to take a step back today and tip my hat to because I'm doing things now that I would have never dreamed of doing. Web development, full SaaS product development, business operations, and not just at the entry level. Like, we're getting now an understanding of how this stuff works to the point where I'm certain that our business will succeed because we've been through so many different iterations of this kind of stuff. And that's the process of developing and going back and forth and compromising and taking back what the latest research that we found out between our meetings. And it's just a beautiful partnership. And again, I'm so proud of what we've done here. I know enough to be dangerous. And when I set my mind to something, I see it through generally. It's all coming together in such a beautiful way. That's what a partnership can do for you folks. I see a lot of people out there talking about the amazing world of solopreneurship, and I think that that's wonderful if you can pull that off. But as the old expressions go, many hands make light work. Crystallize this idea of how much more powerful a good partnership can be versus trying to run a business solo. That's mainly what this video is about. I know that this business is going to succeed. I do have my moments of doubt and uncertainty, but they're fleeting. Let us take care of the technology so that you can go back to focusing on what you love doing, which is usually creating something, right?